£15 per month. Duncan Ballantyne was first to interrogate the confident 27-year-old.
So the newspaper comes to you with a request, you send it out to your client?
Yes.
That's all you do?
Yes. We're there to send out the request. They're there to get them sell in the papers.
It's not PR.
No, that's what I said. It's a PR with a difference.
Yeah.
Rebecca's new PR model failed to grab the attention of these dragons.
Small business, I totally agree with you, it wants to raise its profile. And when they engage a PR company, they want focus. What they don't want is a scattergun approach.
Peter is absolutely right. As a customer, if I said to you, how many people do you look after? And you said, I'm thinking, it's not good, is it?
PR is relationship driven. And the business say it's not relationship driven.
Simon Zhao from
Like like an old man.
James Wybrow next into the den with an eye-catching pitch for their ornate